Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by closing Vscode and stopping Flutter processes so files aren't locked. Once done, back up any projects you'll keep, because uninstalling the SDK won't remove project code, but you want a safety copy. Make sure you know the Flutter SDK path, for example C, /src/flutter or /usr/local/flutter, because you will delete or remove that path next. Next, open a terminal as administrator, or with sudo, to run removal commands safely. You now delete the SDK folder. Use rm/ref/usr/local/flutter or remove C, /src/flutter in Explorer. Do this carefully because it permanently deletes files. After that, launch Vscode and uninstall the Flutter and Dart extensions from the Extensions panel to remove IDE hooks. Make sure to edit your path. Open bashrc, zshrc, or Windows environment variables and remove any Flutter entries so the Flutter command is no longer found. Once updated, restart the terminal and Vscode. Finish by cleaning caches and hidden folders. Remove // Flutter on Mac /Linux or %localappdata %bec/Flutter on Windows if present. Then verify removal by opening a fresh terminal and running Flutter version. You should see command not found or similar. If the command still exists, make sure path edits were saved and you restarted your shell, and confirm Vscode extensions are fully uninstalled. If problems persist, search for lingering Flutter. Exe binaries and remove them, then restart the machine to apply environment changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.